At the Sonauli border between India and Nepal, trade has been brought to a halt by ongoing protests. Drone footage shows an 8-kilometer-long line of stranded trucks in Uttar Pradesh's Maharajganj district, where more than 200 Indian drivers are waiting amid fears for their safety. The disruption comes as Nepal faces its most serious political crisis in years. President Ramchandra Paudel dissolved parliament just one day after appointing 73-year-old former Chief Justice Sushila Karki as interim prime minister. The move followed youth-led Gen Z protests that toppled the government of KP Sharma Oli. Those protests began with anger over a ban on social media platforms, but quickly grew into a nationwide movement against corruption and nepotism. Demonstrators have stormed residences, public offices, and the Supreme Court. Authorities report at least 51 deaths and many more injuries, as Nepal's unrest now spills over its borders, threatening trade and regional stability.